ask if I'm in the mood for a cigarette. It's 2 o'clock at night, we're lying in bed, in a hotel in a city where no one hears us, where no one knows us, and no one bothers us. On the floor lies an empty bottle of wine and articles of clothing that could be yours or mine. A twilight, the radio soft. This night is everything that I expect from a night. It is a night that you normally only see in movies. It is a night that is sung about in the most beautiful song. It is a night that I thought I would never experience, but tonight I am experiencing it with you. Oh, I am still awake and I stare at the ceiling, and I think of how the day began long ago, and just running off with you, not knowing where the journey would end. Now I lie here in a wild, strange city, and have just had the night of my life. But a last light is coming through the windows again. Although for us the world stood still tonight, but song remains just words, a film is staged, but this night with you is real. And tonight I'll experience it with you, and I